Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining us today for another round of pouring coast to coast. It's my turn to lead today and I just got home from a wonderful trip to the Washington DC metro area where I was a teacher and assistant for the Fluid Art Boutique, and we just had a wonderful time. So today it was my turn to present the challenge. And so my challenge was doing a pour that was connected in some way to mental health. So as you guys know, I've talked about this quite a few times on my channel. I have been struggling since a car accident a couple of years ago that resulted in a brain injury. So for me, my art journey the last couple of years has been very connected to healing for me. It helps me with my anxiety, with my PTSD. It gives me a really wonderful community. So that's how art connects for me. And I'm going to talk about that a little bit more as I show you the pours. So I did this pour while at Fluid Art Boutique in Sarah Mack's classroom. So you'll be seeing a little bit of her in the video as well. But let's get down to the table and pour some things. Thank you all so much for being here.
So for me, one of the big things that I have struggled with since my brain injury is memory and ability to plan things properly. And this was no exception to that. I had really thought that I had another week to do this project, and I got to a couple days out and realized that I really needed to paint something so that I would have a video for today. So this is not really the video that I had in mind to make, but I decided to do the best I could with the options I had on hand. So Sarah Mack was wonderful and allowed me to use her room while she was teaching class. And that meant that the supplies that I had on hand weren't exactly what I would paint with at home. So I definitely struggled with this pour a little bit. But that to me is very relatable to kind of every day when dealing with a brain injury. You know, some days are just harder than others. Some days are good days, some days are kind of rough. It's really all about doing the best you can at every moment. And for me, a lot of times that means finding alternatives to my fluid art practice, things that I can do while sitting down, things that I can do when I have less energy. Just doing the best I can with where I'm at in the moment. So as I said, I didn't have my normal supplies on hand, so I was working with a different pouring medium than I normally would be, and it wasn't working for me in the way that I was hoping. So I ended up doing 2 straight pours, neither of which do I love. And as kind of a last ditch attempt, I decided to do some swiping. And I actually was really happy with this. So I didn't get to do dried results for you at the end because we left the same day that I poured this painting. But I got to send it home with a lovely woman who was driving from the event. Her name was Gay, and this was her first fluid art event, and we were just so happy to have her. And I'm happy that I got to send her home with a painting that she loved.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near. The leaves would fall like paper tears. My heart is high. Big open sky Our ears still ringing with the sound. We were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now.
long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been strong so long. See me moving on to a place I've known so long, and the angels see me try. They sing me a lullaby, yeah, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set us free. And I've been strong